Hey there! Frustrated because the fingerprint sensor on your Xiaomi phone isn't cooperating? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get that fingerprint sensor working like a charm again. So, let's dive right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check for hardware issues. First up, open your Settings app. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, select Detailed Info and Specs. Then, scroll down and find the kernel version. Tap on it several times to enter CIT or Hardware Test Mode. Now, scroll down and tap on Fingerprint Sensor Check. Check if it says Pass. After that, tap on Fingerprint Input Test to see if it works. If not, it might be the time to send your device to the Xiaomi Service Center for repairs. But before that, let's try a few more things. Solution 2. Re-add fingerprint data. Back in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Then, tap on Fingerprint Unlock. Enter your PIN, passcode, or pattern lock. Next, tap on the fingerprints you have already added. Hit Remove Fingerprint and then OK. Repeat this for all added fingerprints. Now, tap on Add Fingerprint. Enter your PIN or passcode. Follow the prompts to re-add your fingerprint. Once done, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. To do this, open Settings again. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. After that, select Erase All Data. Now, enter your password or PIN if prompted. Tap Next. Then, tap Factory Reset and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. Once complete, your issue should be fixed. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the fingerprint sensor not working on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, be sure to smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks a bunch for watching!